How can I change my country on my PayPal account?
Hello and welcome. Today we'll be discussing a common question. How can I change my country on my PayPal account? This process can be a bit tricky, but don't worry, I'm here to guide you through it step by step.
Why might you need to change your country?
If you have recently moved to a new country, or if you registered your PayPal account in the wrong country by mistake, you may need to update this information. This is important because PayPal uses your country setting for several purposes, such as determining the available features and complying with legal requirements.
Can you change your country directly?
Unfortunately, as of my knowledge cutoff in September 2021, PayPal does not allow you to directly change the country of your existing account. This is primarily due to the reasons I mentioned earlier. Different countries have different features and legalities related to PayPal.
What can you do instead?
Since you can't change the country directly, the recommended course of action is to close your existing PayPal account and open a new one in your current country. Here are the steps to do this. 1. Log in to your PayPal account. 2. Back up any important information. Before closing your account, make sure to back up any transaction histories, receipts, or important information you might need later. Once the account is closed, you won't be able to access this information. 3. Close your PayPal account. You can do this by going to your account settings, selecting the Close Your Account option, and following the instructions. 4. Create a new PayPal account. Now, you can create a new PayPal account. Be sure to choose the correct country during registration. 5. Set up your new account. Add and confirm your bank account or credit card, set up your account preferences, and customize your account as needed. And there you have it. Even though changing your country on PayPal can be a bit roundabout, hopefully, this guide has made it a bit easier for you. Remember, it's crucial to keep your PayPal country setting accurate to avoid potential issues down the line. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video was helpful.